Hi, Michaela and James. My name is Jeff, and I'm a co-founder of Lobo Leads. And Michaela, I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for PureTree home improvement services. I wanted to get you this quick video on it, as promised, to show you where your company is ranking currently and what your competitors are doing to claim the top spots on Google. So, in this video, I'm going to go over a few easy ways to beat your competition online. The three things I wanted to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Starting with content, it is going to be anything on the front page of your site that Google can read. So it's all the text on the front page, but it also includes all the text within your images and what your images are saved as. So all this right here is going to be considered content, and then each of these pictures on this carousel, if they're saved as a certain keyword and things like that, Google is going to be able to read that. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like remodeling Corpus Christi, general contractor Corpus Christi, Texas, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, anyone who types in those searches into Google, your website is going to be the one that pops up. Now, looking at your website itself, I really like how professional it is and how easy it is to navigate. You've obviously spent some time working on it, making sure that it is easy to follow. I love the rotating carousel of photos. Again, just want to make sure that that they are saved as like a keyword so that Google recognizes that that's what your website is pointing towards. I also really like the accreditations and your different rewards here at the bottom. That helps build credibility with the visitors to your site. And then I also really like how you dedicated a entire services page to the different services that you provide. Now, one thing I did want to mention is that it helps you to rank if you were to create a separate page for these different services, such as remodeling or renovations, and then going even deeper, if you're able to create separate pages for kitchen remodeling, tiling, backsplashes. That way you can target those keywords and rank for them, because that's what people are searching for. They type in tile backsplashes into Google, you want to be the first one that pops up. So that would be my suggestion, is to just make sure that you try to build out some pages for those. That way you can rank them. But overall, I would say the main thing that you definitely want to focus on is going to be for your homepage. Now, Google, again, sees you as credibility and considered authority with 1,500 to 2,000. Right now, I'm showing you at less than 100 because it's basically just this little blurb down here. So you definitely want to target some keywords, put it on that homepage, and then you'll be in a good spot. The next thing I want to talk to you about is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is that it can be like a popularity contest because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. So it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So it means that you're going to get a lot more influence from a backlink that is related to your industry. For example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services that you comment on. Something that has to do with the services that you offer, as opposed to something like a Domino's Pizza or a Macy's department store that has little to nothing to do with the actual services that you offer. So a tool that we use to measure these said backlinks is something called Ahrefs. So you can see here I plugged in just your home page, and this is the data that Ahrefs spits out. I'm showing here we have 28 backlinks from 15 different domains, and that is generating about 15 in organic traffic. That's on a monthly basis, so about 15 people per month, at least last month, clicked on this website and visited your page. Now, I did want to show you what your competitor is doing, your top competitor in Corpus. They're called Inovo Renovations. You may or may not have heard of them. They have a lot of backlinks that are of very high quality, so 216 at 28. And what that is doing is it is driving traffic to their website in the number of 212 over the past month. So they're getting over 200 people visiting their site. And so even if a fraction of those end up converting into an actual paying customer, then you're going to be looking at some additional revenue generated just from people visiting the site. So definitely something to look forward to, and try to replicate. A strategy that we employ is you use this tool to go in and you can actually see the backlinks that your competitors are getting. You would essentially go in, replicate that, try to mimic them as best you can, and then add a cushion of like 20 to 30%. So that way you make sure that you are ranking above them, and usually by the time that they realize what's happened, it's already too late and you're ahead of them in the backlink game, and you just continue to add more and more over time. That way you stay above them. The last thing I want to talk about today is something called citations. Citations are very important because if someone wants a service right now, they're going to go to Google, they're going to search whatever the service is, and they're probably going to pick one of the first companies that comes up. So again, I just wanted to show you here. So let's go ahead and do general contracting, Corpus Christi. And what you're going to see here is this little section. This is called a Google Map Pack. And essentially what you want to do is try to show up here. How do you do that? You get something called citations, and that is just the name, address, and phone number of your company listed on the various directories. That's going to be Home Advisor, Yelp, White Pages, Yellow Pages. There are hundreds and hundreds out there. You just want to get your information put out on those different directories, and once you have enough of them, then you'll start to penetrate this map pack. And a lot of people click on this one because it's the first thing that comes up. Claims a lot of digital real estate, as this is called. So it takes up a lot of your page. So a lot of people aren't going to end up scrolling past it or even go to the next pages. So if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to Megan. And we'll be able to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you have an excellent rest of your day.